Hello, amazing people! Welcome back to my channel. Kumusta kayo? So, this time na naman, trip ko namang mag-vlog. So, because I bought a lot in the sale. So, I'm going to start with Uniqlo. Since mag ano na guys, no, basically it's already spring. So, maraming sale. So, this is the one because I'm looking for a white jacket or parang hoodie or something. Sometimes it's good. If you have t-shirt and then colored t-shirt and you have a white, pwede din sa. This is Sochi na spring. So, look guys. White siya. Plain white siya. So, it's really good in the spring because if you go out in the spring and then by the time late evening, it's become cold. So, you need a cardigan or a light jacket. So, I can't remember ba ito is 34.90, 20 pounds. It's not a lot difference. I think this is 20 pounds. It's not a price. And I have a Levi's. Itong Levi's na ito, dalawa to. What is it? This Levi's is 32 pounds, but ano na lang siya, each, but 35, 2, 4, 35 pounds, look. This is for daddy. And this is for Kuya. Because Kuya loves this color. This is his favorite color. This is for Kuya CJ. And the next one, bumili ako ng ano talaga, mahilig. Because I love to wear it, especially in the winter. Because para ang ginaw pumapasok. So, ito is accessories brand. Yung accessories dito sa UK, mahal siya guys. But, accessories London. So, this is na, I think basic lang nila ito. How much is this one? Oh, 15. 15 pa din. So, in our money is like 800. But, you know how much I pay for this? 70%. Ano na lang siya, guys? 3 pounds 60. So, ang ganda kaya ng kulay niya, guys. So, I like this, Saka, ang ganda ng fitting, hindi yung ganun. So, diba? Pababae talaga siya. Yeah, and I have another color. But, I have another color. I forgot this color. Parang, mustard. Mustard ba ang tawag nito? This is more, because this is 18 pounds. So, sa pera natin is nearly 2,000. But it's 4 pounds 20 na lang. Why not? So, listen. Ang ganda nito, guys. Look. O, diba? Ang cute. And, oh, this is for Oli, Uniqlo, guys. Online ko ito binili. Saka yung coat, hoodie ko na jacket. Ito, mura na lang siya, 7 pound 90. And, how much is before? Wala na, kinuha ko na ang Parang ito is 24 pounds. So, I think more than half price ito din. And, oh, ito so cute because guys, if you're familiar with Superdry, if Superdry is a Japanese brand and it's a bit expensive even in the designer outlet. And one of our town, this is the other town as well, they're closing because they moved to other town. So, nag-price sila lahat. So, imagine ito guys, na itong, parang ang tawag dito? Di naman siya, This one is 54, 90, 55. So, I bought this 25. Imagine 55. How much na yun? Mga nearly 4,000. But this one is half price. Tingnan mo ito, guys. Ang ganda nito. For white. Ganda, pwede din sa summer if you wear a sleeveless or white t-shirt. Pang spring din. At saka, sometimes in the summer, there are times that in the summer, like, even if like 21 and you're out, like, late night, so, although hindi naman ako mano sa late night, even like, I just go a house party. Ang cute, diba? So, parang cardigan lang siya, pero pang, ano siya, hindi siya formal na cardigan, pang rugged, pang bagets. So, and, this is for daddy. Super dry din siya, guys. Super dry, and this is 50. Di ba ang mahal niya? 50. 50 ba? Yeah, 49.99. So, let's see. 50. So, half price. Ang cute niya, guys. So, di ba? Kahit naman sa outlet, hindi. Ang presyo na 25 na ito, hindi. Parang ano lang dun sa outlet, 30%. And, meron akong for daddy as well. This is, sana yun to? Meron to eh. Oh yeah. So you will know. Large, ito din is, mas mahal ito kasi may zip. This is 64.99. 65, so, mahal pala nito, no? 32.50 I bought this. So, ang cute niya, ang ganda ng kulay. The reason is ito mahal because may ano siya dito. Pwede siyang pang formal. So, gift ko na rin kay daddy kasi 20 years wedding anniversary namin. So, just palagi na lang si daddy nagbibigay. So, deserve din yung mga bagong. Kasi yung mga jumper din ni daddy, meron namang ano din. Pero, I don't bought him last year. So, he deserve a new one. Although si daddy palaging ganon yan. I don't need the clothes. And this is mine, green. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I don't know how much the I think this is 50 as well. I think 50. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nito, guys. Kasi, wala lang, simple lang siya. Nandito lang ang logo. Ganda nito eh. Ang mahal, no, parang 45 or something. Ha-price din yun. And, for Oli, look. Uniqlo. Ito kay Oli, guys, din. Kasi, sinukat ito ni Oli. This is for Oli, look. Ang cute. Ang cute ng kulay niya. Look, may ano na nga eh. Parang sinuot na yata nito. I don't know. Hindi siguro. O parang sinimba na pala niya yun. Pero inano ko lang. Kasi dalawa yung binili ko. Ito ang ibang kulay. Cute niya. Tapos may blue nito si Oli. May yellow din. Last year ko siya binili. And ito ang ano ko. Bumili na naman ako ng coat. Diba yung napunta kami sa designer. Wala akong na ano sa Superdrug kasi. Yung ano ko, may jacket akong dalawang Superdrug. Kahit ngayon ginagamit ko pa. Durable talaga, very good. Yung ano, talaga vintage yung mga ano nila, guys. The fabric is so good. Yung Uniqlo, diba? Ano din, I love Uniqlo. At yung Uniqlo is parang in sale. Maraming sale. Ito kasing super dry. So tight, di sila mag-share. So ito yung new coat ko. What I like about this, kasi magaan. Andito ang logo niya, super dry. Imagine how much this is like, how much this? 110. So, this is 55. in half price. So, nilubos ko na guys kasi itong ano, hindi ka naman makaano sa 54. Siguro pag timing mo dun, pero yung ano, hindi talaga. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Look. Ang ganda niya, mataas ito. Hanggang ano siya, tuhod. Hanggang tuhod siya, guys. Kasi ako, ayoko ng mga ano na coat. Yung ano, yung short ng coat, ayoko nun. Unless if ano siya, pang ano lang, summer or well, yung makadigan lang. Kahit yung basa, I love talaga under the bottom, like my bum doesn't show because you know we're already old, even though but I don't like it since di yun ayoko. Ano ito naman, bumili ako nito kasi pero nainis ako guys kasi ang pinili ko siya is kasi parang may dark, how to say that, parang green din siya, emerald green or something, I'm not sure, or dark green. Pero ewan ko rin bakit ito ang napili ko, gray. Although maganda naman din ang gray, pero gusto ko sana yung green eh. Pwede bali na kasi. Ano siya, ito, mahal din ito eh, 35 po, nagiging 12.90 na lang. That's why I bought it. So when it's a clothes, but it's a winter clothes. Look, woolly clothes siya. Ganda din niya. Pang simba ko, yeah, then simba ko with boots. So, at least. So, but it's a day. I love gray though. I love gray naman. Pero sana hindi ako nagkamali kasi yung green talaga ang target ko, guys. But anyway. And then, ito, bumili, when I was shopping in Superdry, ito ang bag nila, Freto. And then, since hindi kasya coat lang ang kasya dito. So, bumili na lang ako ng ganito. Kasi, 3 pounds, 6 pounds siya dati is, ano, diba? At least may another bag na naman ako. Kasi may Levi's ako. May Paris, may Barcelona, bigay ng friend ko. Dami kong ganito. May self-rage, mga ganon. Yun sa UK, parang top shop, mga ganon. So, although naman, ano ko yun yung iba ibibigay ko din sa mga kapatid ko sa Pinas. So, I don't know, yun lang dahil yung lahat is sale. Yung mga ibang Uniqlo, ano ko na siya nabili sometimes 3 weeks ago. Di ko lang siya inano doon. Minsan, ko siya reels ko. Pero tamad ako because I was so busy because I'm doing my placement and I finished my first placement. So hopefully, things better because, you know, nurse, as what I mentioned as well, I'm studying nursing and it's not easy. It's very hard, but kakayanin in God's grace. So, I think that's it for now. Pasensya na sa kwarto ko kasi dito ako mag-vlog kasi tahimik. Kasi uli na doon sa ano. And then, alam mo, how I wish I have more time. Kasi gusto kong, sayang yung ano ko, channel, pag hindi ko share, although, hindi naman ako makita, ba, malay mo one day. So, hindi tayo mawala ng pag-asa. So, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you, amazing people, for watching. Take care. God bless.